Good day to all science students. In this video lesson, we are going to discuss now the day 3 of Science 9 Term 1 Week 7 Energy, Wavelength, and Frequency Relationship. Objectives: define wavelength, frequency, and energy in relation to electromagnetic waves. Demonstrate active and responsible participation by contributing ideas and cooperating during the group modeling activity, and construct a visual model showing the relationship among wavelength, frequency, and energy. Okay, the dangerous race. One Saturday morning, Anna and Carla decided to spend the day at the beach. The sky was clear and the sun was shining brightly. Anna applied sunscreen before going out and stayed under the sun for only 10 minutes before resting under an umbrella. Carla, however, did not apply sunscreen. She stayed under the sun for 3 hours because she wanted a darker tan. Later that afternoon, Carla's skin turned red and painful. She had gotten sunburned and Anna felt fine, but Carla had to treat her skin and avoid the sun for several days. So for guide questions, why did Carla get sunburned? Okay, Carla got sunburned because she stayed under the sun for a long time without protection. The sun emits ultraviolet rays which have higher energy than visible light. Too much exposure to UV rays can damage skin cells and cause sunburn. Is sunlight always safe? Okay, the answer is sunlight is not always safe. While it helps our body produce vitamin D and provides light and warmth, too much exposure, especially to UV rays, can cause skin damage, sunburn, and even skin cancer. Are all types of lights the same in energy? Okay, no. Different types of light have different energy levels. For example, radio waves have low energy while ultraviolet, X-rays, and gamma rays have much higher energy. Higher energy waves can be more harmful to living cells. Okay, let us identify the terminologies with this definition. Okay, the length of one complete wave. Okay, that is wavelength. Okay, the symbol for wavelength is lambda. That is lambda. That is not h. Number of waves passing per second. Okay, that is frequency. The ability to do work. Okay, energy. Unit of frequency or the cycles per second. Okay, that is hertz. Very small unit of length. Okay, nanometer. When one value changes, the other also changes. Okay, that is inversely or proportional. Okay, the energy, wavelength, and frequency relationship. Electromagnetic waves have three important properties. Number one, the wavelength. Distance from one crest to the next crest, that is wavelength, measured in meters or nanometers. Okay, frequency, number of wave that pass a point in 1 second, measured in hertz. And then the next one is energy, amount of power carried by a wave. Higher frequency means higher energy. Yun, tandaan natin, the greater the frequency, the higher the energy. Okay, important relationships, wavelength and frequency. How are we going to relate the wavelength and frequency? Ito, they are inversely proportional. So this means, when wavelength increases, habang humahaba yung wave, the frequency decreases. So meaning, the wavelength decreases, frequency increases. Or the shorter the wavelength, the higher the frequency. The longer the wavelength, the lower the frequency. Yan ang relationship, inversely proportional. Okay, the formula C is equals to wavelength times F or the frequency, where C is the speed of light. Bakit ginamit ay C, the speed of light? Because the speed of electromagnetic wave is equivalent to the speed of light, which is 3 times 10 raised to 8 meter per second. And then wavelength is the symbol for that is lambda. And then F is frequency. Okay, number 2 relationship, frequency and energy. Ito naman, directly proportional. Higher frequency meaning higher energy. Lower frequency meaning lower energy. Understanding the pattern. Ayan, wavelength, kapag mahaba ang wavelength, tandaan natin, mababa ang frequency, mababa din ang energy. And then the shorter the wavelength, the higher the energy, and then the higher the frequency. Tandaan natin 'yon. Example 1, radio waves. Mahaba ang wavelength ng radio wave. Siya ang pinakamahaba among the members of the electromagnetic wave. Ito yung pinakamababa ang frequency and ito rin ang pinakamababa ang energy and safe for communication. Okay, ultraviolet rays, shorter wavelength, higher frequency, higher energy can cause sunburn. Tanda natin, habang umiikli ang frequency, habang umiikli ang wavelength, tumataas ang frequency, tumataas ang energy. Okay, another one, X-rays, very short wavelength, very high frequency and very high energy. Can pass through skin but not bones. Kaya ang X-ray ginagamit wag po sa medical pag pag titingnan kung may fracture ang bone kasi nakakalagpas siya sa skin. So nakukuha niya ng picture ang bone. Another one, gamma rays, o itong pinaka sa lahat ng members of the electromagnetic spectrum family, ito yung pinakamaikli ang wavelength, shortest. At itong pinaka highest naman ang frequency and also highest energy. It is used in cancer treatment, o ito pampatay ng cancer cells. Okay, example problem solving. A wave has a wavelength of 2 meters. Find its frequency. So, ang formula niyan, ang given na niyan, automatic, hindi man naman given ang speed, automatic na speed of light. Kasi lahat po ng members ng electromagnetic spectrum family, lahat ang speed nila is same, 3 times 10 raised to 8 meter per second. So, the formula is C over wavelength. So, substituting the value, the frequency is 1.5 times 10 raised to 8 hertz. Okay, let us have this activity. Wave relationship model. Okay, each group will create a poster that shows the formula of the speed of the electromagnetic waves, a diagram explaining inverse relationship, a chart arranging EM waves from lowest to highest energy. One real-life example for low energy and high energy waves.